Kaboom. So if you do want to expand your house out, you can actually make this happen. So you can just build anything you want and just keep on expanding this room. There we go. So now, wait, tiny crafting table house. Inside of a tiny crafting table house. Oh! Don't forget to subscribe and slap the bell so you never miss a video. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a brand new MooseCraft video. Today, guys, we got something a little bit different going on, man. So let me show you the two main things that I got. Right over here on the left side, we're going to have a massive command block creation thing. And now, on the right side, I have, that's right, yet another command block creation. Now, that's actually created by the Red Engineer, and this is, that's right, a livable crafting table. You're like, what, Moose? What'd you say? I'm not even kidding when I say this, guys. We are able to now live inside of a crafting table. So it's a crafting table house. So we can pretty much just craft a house and kaboom. We can live inside of it, decorate it, and do other cool things. So let me show you how this works, man. So it's actually for 1.12.2 and above. There's 2 command blocks to this. I already put in the 1 command block and now put in the second one. So it's all good to go. Now you gotta click on the right click to activate it on both of these. They're already activated. And then if you right click over here, it says the actual crafting recipes required. So 16 oak wood, 1 crafting table to craft a mini house. All furniture can be traded with the villager inside the house. That's right. So let's get ourselves 16 oak wood. Here we go. Boom. 16 oak wood. Now we're going to require a crafting table. Oh, here we go, man. Here we go. But, hoopa, kaboom, we got it. So now it's going to give ourselves a nice spot again. If you right click it, this is legit. I'm not kidding. I swear on the moose smoke. Where's Lucy? Lucy. Hey. Hello. Come here. We gotta show the fans. Come here, buddy. Give me a little Up. And she's up. Ugh. Trust me. Lucy and I are telling you, this is the real deal. She's even giving me a paw. Look, it's a high five. You see? This is the real deal, guys. Okay. Anyways, so let me show you this. Now, if we go inside of this, if we go walk into it, all right, we're going to be able to teleport it into the crafting table. So let's say, for example, boom, that's the house. Now, let me give you like a better angle so I can show you the whole entire thing. There we go, right there. Look at that. We have the door. All right, it's a little bit buggy, though. It kind of bugs out a little bit. So there you go. You got the door, the actual crafting table, a block on top, a chimney, and boom. Now, once we go inside, as you can see, if you go to the left side, we have Ted. Hi, Ted. So Ted is going to give you different types of items that you can use to actually decorate your place. So for example, let's say we want to get ourselves a couch. We're going to require 2 stairs. Okay. 1, 2. And also 2 wool. Boom, boom. Put this over here. And now we got a couch. All right. So then we also have pet bed, I think. What did I say? I can't read this correctly. Let me see. So it says pet bed mat. So that's legit, man. That is legit. Here we go. Boom. Put this here. And awesome. The next one's going to be a lava lamp. So we're going to need an actual lava. There we go. And also a redstone lamp. Perfecto. And now we put this over here. Put it over there. And boom, we got ourselves a nice lava lamp. And also a skull chair. Let's see. Let's get ourselves a skull. Now we're going to require some bones. And what do we got? Yay. Boom. Skull chair. There is so much more to go, boys. There is so much more to go, man. We need iron ingots. Okay, we need glass panes. All right. That's black stain. We're gonna need iron bars, redstone. So redstone, iron bars. All right, and also black stained glass. And then quartz, I think, quartz slabs. Perfect. So now, go all the way over here, 2 quartz slabs, 8 iron ingots, and we get ourselves, that's right, a media console. Now, next one, 4 black stained glass, 8 redstone blocks, and you get yourself a TV. And then we have a table, 4 iron bars, 8 stained glass, and next thing you know, boom, we got a table. Very nice. Now, if you want to remove the furniture, you can actually buy it. It's going to be a lever, all right? So right over here, you get ourselves a lever, a lever. Perfecto. Put this here and kaboom, we're good to go. Awesome. So now let's go over here, man. So this room is completely empty. Now, if you go to the second floor, we're going to have a nice little roof access. Also with a furniture, man. Perfecto, dude. Look at that. So you can turn the light off and you can turn it back on. And that's about it. So you can actually decorate this place. Now, I do believe that you can actually extend this place out as well. So let's say we break this over here. We still should be able to see this as well. So ready? We go out. We go in. Kaboom. So if you do want to expand your house out, you can actually make this happen. So you can just build anything you want and just keep on expanding this room. There we go. So now, wait. Tiny crafting table house. Inside of a tiny crafting table house. Oh! Yep, that does not work. Nice. Well, I didn't think about that. Wow. That would have been cool, but I did not know that was going to happen, man. Oh, man, now we got to go find a crafting table house. Oh, a man can dream. A man can dream. Well, I guess we're not looking at that. Let's go and spawn another one in. Boom. Awesome. So now, let's go inside the house and start putting down some things. So we're going to have a couch over here. Oh, I'm pretty sure it's not a couch. I think we're missing a resource pack. Oh, yeah, we are. Okay, so we fixed it. We ended up actually breaking the world. So here we go. We have a couch right here. And if you right click it, boom, it's going to spawn an actual couch. And the cool thing is, I believe I can actually sit on the couch. Awesome. Now, if we go over here and we right click this, it's going to spawn a TV. Now, of course, for the TV, we're going to need to put this on top of a table. So boom, we have a table. Oh, we messed this up real bad. Oh, yeah, we definitely messed this up, man. All right, let's get a quick lever over here. We're going to remove these things, and we're going to see if we can fix this a little bit more. I want to decorate this really nicely, too. Kaboom. So, boom, remove furniture. And just like that. Oh, it's working? All right, whatever. That does the job. So, that right there is the TV, man. It's a little bit buggy right now. That right there is the couch. We also have a skull chair. Right click, boom, a skull chair. You can actually sit on this thing like so. Hi, my name is MooseCraft. This is exactly what it looks like. And if you do want to expand a house, we can actually do so. Now let's go up into the top part, all right? And let's put down a nice lava lamp. Ooh, look at that. It's all fancy. So let's do this. This is a nice decoration. So we're going to put down a lava lamp here. Lava lamp over here. A nice skull chair. Let's put down a media console right here. Oh, my bad. I should have thought about that. Boom. Oh. Yeah, I am really messing this up, by the way. I am 100% messing this up bad. So, media console should go right over here. Boom. So, media console. We got the TV. We could add in some more TVs, but that's going to be a little bit of an overkill. Yo, we could like extend it out. You look. You can put these on top. That's pretty funny. Ha! That's pretty good. Yo, what? Check it out. Check it out. Ah, look at this. Yo. That's so cool, right? Hold on. I'm going to glitch this out hardcore. Ready? Watch this, guys. Look. Now we have a crazy TV setup. And then the media console goes right over here. Ooh. Ooh. This is interesting. And then we're going to require some lava lamps here. Boom. I like you, man. Couch over here. A little bit of a movie theater set. Let's put down a nice pet bed right here. Hey, what's up, buddy? How you doing, man? Look, it's a pet bed. All right, we'll put down another one right here as well. Let's put one right here. Yay, little kitty. Awesome. And that's about it. And we'll put down a table here. Oh, you know what? It's a little bit too much in the way. So let's see if we get rid of it. Okay. We're going to put down the table probably upstairs. That'll be like a nice little eating area. All right, here. Oh, you know what? We don't have enough space either. So I say we put down right here then. Let's do it. Boom. Table right over here. You can put down anything you want on it. And it looks pretty good. And we have the skull chair. We already have the TV, the lava lamp, the pet bed, media console, and the couch. So overall, we've done a great job decorating this place, man. I like it, bro. I really do like it. Look at this. We got the pets, the chairs, the couches, the TVs, a crazy TV screen setup, and that's about it. Now, let me also show you from the outside how this looks like and how this works. So when you actually spawn this mini crafting table, as you can see over here, underneath is going to spawn a massive room setup over here. Now with this massive room setup, you can actually customize it as much as you want. So I'm in a flat world biome. I spawned it and it looks very, very different, man. So check this out though. See, look at this. You can actually extend this out any way you want. Any way you want, just extend it out and you can do other cool things as well. So that's pretty awesome, man. But anyways, guys, that is about it for today's video. So hope y'all did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like. I'll see y'all tomorrow with a brand new crazy MooseCraft video. By the way, the new Moose merch is now live. Go check it out. Go pre-order it. Go to www.itsmoosecraft.com. We have just launched the official Moose Hustle merch, man. Go buy it right now. We're gonna have Moose 100 on it, so you can, you know how it is, man. The reason we put actually Moose 100 on it because we always keep it 100, and we're always putting in the 100% into our work, and we're hustling every single day, man. That's the definition behind it. It's gonna be going on my car soon. Rebrand the Life of Moose channel, so I'm excited, guys. And I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Bye.